Hey there, my name is Jordan and I am the marketing guy here at Energy Suspension in beautiful San Clemente, California. In this series, we will be installing a full vehicle master kit on this 2010 Nissan Altima. This episode, we are going to tackle replacement of old, worn-out rubber bushings and replace them with HyperFlex polyurethane on the rear knuckle. Thinking about doing this on your car? We strongly recommend obtaining and understanding the job for this service from the factory service manual before bushing replacement begins. In previous episodes, we watched Billy disassemble the rear end, separating the arms and knuckle from the vehicle. For this video, we see Billy's method of removing the rear knuckle bushings using a hydraulic puller. There are many ways this sort of installation can be done. The purpose of this video is to show what the process can look like before considering the job yourself. Using the provided instruction sheet, we located spacers, sleeves, and washers that are sized as required for removal of bushings. The instruction sheet for this kit is in the description below. Old bushings are out. Get ready for the fun part. Using the provided Formula 5 grease, the new HyperFlex polyurethane bushings are easily installed. The sleeves are installed using a set of channel lock pliers. Excess grease can be wiped away before installing the component back into the vehicle. video, we see Billy's method of removing and replacing the rear knuckle bushings using a hydraulic press. We installed new Hyperflex polyurethane, ready to provide a high-performance driving experience backed with Energy Suspension 7-year, 750,000-mile warranty. There are many ways this sort of installation can be done. The purpose of this video is to show what the process can look like before considering the job yourself. Stay tuned for the next episodes to see more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Drive safely.
Do it once. Do it right.